Infinite Bliss, Unity, King Sage here. You know, the most important thing about this ascension, whether, it comes to, being a spiritual being, understand the most important thing about this whole entire ascension. Whether you're speaking about a creator, the universe, whatever you're speaking about, no matter what, know the importance of stepping into nature. Know the importance of being in nature. Most of y'all wanna, I get it, y'all wanna create a lifestyle. Y'all wanna be in the world. Y'all wanna focus on these distractions and these narratives and things outside of you that don't matter. But listen, I don't care who you are and what you are. The most important thing is stepping into nature. No matter what you use, whatever you use outside of you to feel great about yourself, know the importance of stepping into nature. Know that nature, the sun in the sky, is the most important thing when it comes to shifting and elevating yourself. Spend more time in nature. Connect with nature. Connect with a tree. Go out there and go connect with a tree every single day. Go out here and get the sun. It's so simple. Before we focus on anything outside of ourselves, pay attention to your insides. Take care of this avatar. Create a better lifestyle for you to prosper and elevate in this avatar. Love nature. Cherish nature. Nature is beautiful. Nature is amazing. Nature elevates us. Nature heals us. Nature removes what doesn't belong. Nature will provide you with everything you need to know. So why neglect nature? Why not step outside? You neglect nature all to focus on things in the world. The whole entire time, nature, the great mother, that sun in the sky, is all helping you evolve, helping you elevate, helping you rise, helping you see your highest potential. And all you have to do is just go out there every single day and embrace that. Cherish it. Be grateful for it. At this point, nature loves us. The great mother loves us. And if you're not able to see that, I don't know what to tell you. You gotta dig a little deeper within yourself. If you can't understand and understand that nature is what provides you with the true bliss, with the true joy. If you don't understand naturally, we don't own these avatars. So these avatars by default already have a connection to the planet. So if you want these avatars functioning at their highest potential, you want this avatar to be efficient, step into nature, go camping, sleep outside, get in tune with the Great Mother. And as long as you allow her to connect with you and be with you, everything will always be the way that it is meant to be. See the Great Mother for who she truly is. Accept her for who she truly is. And know that no matter what anybody says, nothing compares more than stepping into nature and being with the Great Mother. There's nothing greater than that. Honestly, in my opinion. The world is cool. You know, certain things are fun to do, but nothing is more greater than connecting with a tree and connecting with that sun and being outside. As I said, this is our true home. So, I wasn't making this video too long. I just wanted to let y'all know, don't give up on yourself. Don't self-sabotage yourself. Don't beat yourself up because of this world. Take care of these avatars. Get into nature, and most important, get into nature. Do not hold back. Do not hold back on that. Even if you're not able to do it every single day, at least find time to get into nature. Even if it's just for 30 minutes, 20 minutes. Spend more time in nature and flow. So I love y'all. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Infinite bliss, unity, liberation in the realm. You're on the rise all day, every day.